Hey there, friends! Today, I'm super excited to share something that can totally change the way you do marketing. It's called MarketingBlocks, and it's like having a super smart robot buddy that helps you with all your marketing and sales stuff. Imagine making awesome websites, social media posts, and videos without breaking a sweat. Sounds cool, right? Let's dive into how this can help you. So what is MarketingBlocks? It's an all-in-one AI software that helps you with everything marketing. Whether you're trying to build a website, manage your social media, or create videos, MarketingBlocks has got you covered. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech wizard to use it. First up, let's chat about the AI-powered landing pages. You can create beautiful, high-converting websites just by telling the software what you want. There are over 100 templates to choose from, or you can get creative with more than 200 sections and blocks. No need for fancy coding skills or design degrees here. Now, if you're like me and sometimes forget to post on social media, the AI social media management tool is a lifesaver. You can whip up months of content in mere minutes and schedule it all out. Plus, it even helps you engage with your followers by automating comments and messages. It's like having a social media assistant in your pocket. One feature that really stood out to me is the AI video creation. You can make promo videos with AI-generated scripts and voiceovers, and there are over 100 templates to get you started. Just imagine creating engaging videos with subtitles, transitions, and music in a flash. And here's a cool way you can use this in your life. Think about creating a spokesperson video to showcase your business. You can use AI avatars to bring your message to life in different languages and styles. It's a fun and innovative way to connect with your audience. Honestly, MarketingBlocks is a game changer. It's like having a whole marketing team right at your fingertips. So if you're looking to boost your brand and make marketing a breeze, definitely check it out. I've dropped a link in the description below where you can grab your own MarketingBlocks and start transforming your marketing efforts today. That's it for now, folks. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Catch you in the next video.